Twin bitches, twin bitches, twin bitches hopping off a jet ski.
Usually when we talk about the best things in the world, it might only be one thing. But what if you take two of the greatest things in the world? We've decided to double up this evening. Welcome back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. Now this evening, you can see there are two very different specs of 992 GT3 RS. You got the orange car with the Fanta graphics. Don't ask. This car has our full RSR exhaust setup. It has the free flow race headers and it has the RSR titanium rear section with the 4-inch titanium tips. And would you have it? This car, the black GT3 RS, also has the same exhaust setup. So we figured in this video we would showcase why the RSR setup is the ultimate experience for 992 GT3 and RS owners. The design ethos of this project was quite simple: deliver the most pure RSR high-pitched sound experience to these 4-liter flat sixes behind us. Now there are a lot of companies out there that do exhaust systems. There's Gintani, there's R1, there's JCR, there's Soul Performance. These are incredible companies that have been in the Porsche world for a long time. But Valvetronic Designs has taken a lot of their learning on these platforms to crank up the experience. Using our proprietary F1 configuration where it has the merge section, then it goes into a single, then comes out. That really draws out the depth and combines the high pitch experience. It just cranks these cars up. So I'm gonna stop talking, sit back, relax, and enjoy a night shoot and a true RSR experience from both the cars behind us. We hope you guys enjoy.